Okay, so mtu tumejuana naye for Wakola, tumekuwa tukicommunicate naye for Wakola. He had made a lot of promises. Ajai kuja Kenya, so this is the first time amekuja tukapatana naye tena. So that day alikuja on January and I met him on January 5th on Monday morning. He sent me the location, akaniambia niende mahali yako. I went and see. I went to him. He paid for the Uber. Akaniambia just enter there and take whatever drink you want. I'll come and sort. I went inside. It was a group of 6 people plus his friend, one of his male friend. Tukakunywa pombe, ikaisha, nikampigia nikamwambia alipe bill, akasema chukua ingine ukunywe. Tukachukua ingine. Akakuja akalipa bill na kanunua chakula. Akasema tuhame the club you were. We went to a small club. It was like a local club. He had something in his hand. He has this white powder. Kanita mara ya kwanza, akaniambia take this, itapunguza pombe, sugar levels yani. Akaniambia you have to sniff it. It was just yalikuwa amekevi kiasi. I snuffed it. Nikakuwa dizzy. Akaniambia ndo kae chini. Nikasimama juu singeweza hata kutembea. So that is where the guy told me if we can have sex with 2 men. So he wanted 2 men. Yes, him, his friend, and I. Nikasema no. I can only do it with one, and that's why he only akaanza kunirecord, akinitoa nguo, akinisukuma, nashindwa kusimama nikijekelea hivi, ameninua nguo nyuma, amenitoa all over, ameninua, it was alini embarrass, alini body shame. I feel traumatized right now. I'm sorry to all Kenyans. I did a mistake. I was intoxicated so much. Sikuwa najielewa. And that guy really took advantage of the situation. What if I said yes to the threesome? Tungeenda huko still na angerecord still, he would still post it. Why would he record me in such a manner kininua nguo? I'm sorry to all Kenyans. I'm sorry to my family. And I'm sorry to myself too. I have to find a way to forgive myself and come back again. This is something that you'll never see once again on the social media. I'm sorry, my fellow Kenyans.